Wait, what did he just say? Suddenly, I got goosebumps. I paused the video and looked at my name like it was gold. I was writing this report for school on African authors, and this quote blew my mind.
Changing someone's name is a form of erasure, a stripping of culture, language, and identity. That was a quote from the Kenyan author Ngoge Nwathiongo. My own name is Kamarachimdi.
And I didn't think I could ever be prouder of it, but after hearing how sacred it is to me, as a Nigerian woman, I realized that my name is everything. So then, I looked for content creators celebrating Igbo names, I found Chukwu Nonso captures, DM'd him for a feature, and watched the video.
Yup, he said Kamarachimdi means how great is my God's grace.
Then I binged his series about an expecting mother visited in dreams by her Igbo ancestors to help her choose a baby name. Oh, no, I forgot about my paper. Will I turn it in on time? Luckily, his videos inspired me. I got an A+.